Hey, what's up, guys? So we are outside here, nice little shaded up area, and I just wanted to talk about the hard body while we're out here in the hard body. Just look at this real quick. Let's marvel at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. Yeah, give it to me. Don't look at me that way. Don't look at me that way. All right, guys. One thing I wanted to talk about while we're out here with the hard body is the motor, once again. And I want to tell you guys who have hard bodies and D21s, if you guys come across an extra engine that's a steal, you go to the junkyard, whatever, you find one online, grab that motor and scoop it up. Because right now, we're in a time where everything is getting short supplied. So these trucks, they're getting in that era where they're becoming classics. We already know that. They are classics. Everybody wants these trucks now. And people are paying top dollar for these things, you know? But luckily you got like guys like me who are hanging on to their vehicles and not letting people take them, and we're rebuilding them and keeping them and, you know, having them till we're old, you know? That's what I plan to do. I don't know about you. That's what I plan to do. But anyway, keep them engines, man. If you find an engine that's a steal, keep it. I sold the full engine, long block, head, block, everything. Spark plugs, wire, distributor, everything on the engine, even the pressure plate. Everything on the engine I sold for $60. And this was in 2016, right before I moved. That was when I had my red D21. And I regret selling that engine, because if I would have kept that engine, I would have had a backup engine. I could have already had it rebuilt, fully ready. So whenever this engine and this hard body goes out, bam, drop another one in. Then that's another thing. With these trucks, if you can get another engine and just save it until that time comes where you have to swap it out, that way you could pull out one, rebuild it, put in a new one, drive it, and then pull that one out with the other one rebuilt and then drop it back in. You're saving yourself so much time. Because imagine how long your truck's gonna be down if you pull out this one engine, rebuild it, and then drop it back in. Imagine just having one already ready to go, rebuilt, bam, put it back in there. You'll be riding the next day. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, keep your engines, man. Yeah, I'm still waiting to paint this thing. I'm just waiting on that day, man. Hopefully it comes sooner than later. But we just installed some back speakers here in the D21, which is fairly easy. I was gonna make a video doing it, but it's just too simple. It's too simple to do it. Even though my speakers aren't really mounted in, I have to buy some screws, because the stock D21 screws, if you buy new speakers, you can't just use those screws to bolt the speakers in. So you kind of got to go to an audio place or go to Ace Hardware or something and get some screws to hold it in. But the speakers are working, but they're just not in correctly. Same thing with my door speakers. My door speakers are not in correctly. But let me show you real quick. Don't mind the interior. It's a little dirty, I know. Gotta clean my seat off. So look, look how ghetto this is. This is one of my speakers right here. They're just stock replacement speakers. They actually come with the little adapter. I could put the link in the description if you guys want. So it actually comes with an adapter for the stock speaker. So you don't have to do any kind of weird modifications. You just plug it in like that. And bam, it works. Let's put that back real quick. There we go. And they sit like that. Like, I've been having them like that, and they just sit. Same thing with this other side here. They're just sitting kind of in like a little wedge. Also, I want to say we just left Napa. I had to get a hose for the Mitsubishi Eclipse that my fiance's brother bought. He's fixing that up. But look, Napa, they gave me this beanie here. Shout out to Napa for this. We're still rocking Napa gear. So yeah, and I wanted to make a video. I know I've been making them like reactions and talking about the Acura Integra Type R and all this, and just new cars, and just been making them reactions. But that's kind of something I've been wanting to do. I'm just testing it out, see how it works. You know, a lot of people aren't really into those, so you know, I said let's go back to the roots, man. Let's go back to, you know, hard body. Let's talk about this hard body. This is my roots. I never even thought about YouTube until I started making these hard body videos, and I didn't even want to necessarily make them to be on YouTube. I just kind of made them because I wanted to help out people who had this truck, and I was looking for this type of information and I couldn't find it. Or the videos are really crappy. So, yeah, guys. But thanks a lot. Enjoy your hard body, enjoy your truck, keep your truck, keep your engine, keep your trucks clean, take care of your truck, it'll take care of you. And go get you a beanie from Napa before winter hits. All right. Ooh. Oh. Hold on. Ooh, shit. Ah. Ooh, give me that. Dang. Give me that pose. Ooh, hot.